Insert hanger into vertical slot. Secure with carriage bolt and nut. Repeat with other half. Insert joining piece into long slot of stabilizing bar. Align bolt hole and joining piece and secure with bolt. Torque bolt to 145 inch-pounds. Repeat with other half. Remove exhaust cutouts only if your vehicle is equipped with dual exhaust. On one side, cut the top attachment points of the perforated exhaust cutout. Bend exhaust cutout back and forth until bottom attachment snaps. Repeat on opposite side. At rear of box, remove specified bolt. Insert bolt through round hole in mounting bracket. Position bracket end with long slot towards front of box and reinsert bolt. Leave loose for now. Repeat to install mounting bracket on opposite side. Insert hanger through back of mounting bracket. Secure toe flap at both bracket locations. Adjust mounting brackets if necessary, then fully tighten bolts.